Organic worm castings by Soto. Just wanted to share what's on the menu. I'm going to be feeding my worms some avocado, blueberries mixed with some cherries, bananas, and some apple. I'm going to go ahead and blend this up. Come and join me, won't you? So we're looking in the worm bin, and with the video that I showed you at 22 days old, the worms looked really great, and I fed them at that time. And then, as you can see, the ground is looking really, the bottom of the bin is looking really nice. There's no sitting liquid. Everything that I fed them has been eaten up, and they're ready for another meal. So let's go ahead and feed them. Just give it a light toss. So this feeding should be good for a few more days. Blended all their food up, and they're good for another week. They have plenty of bedding, plenty of food, and we'll go ahead and film in a few days so that you can see how the worm bin is coming along. Hope you all have a beautiful weekend. Like gold is the way to go. Stay safe. Until then, Organic Worm Castings by Soto, signing off for now. Bye.